problem in that case? In that case, we cannot store large amount of charge, because if we consider earth to be a spherical conductor, then we will get only 711 microfarad. But the capacitance, the capacitor what used in fan is 2 microfarad and its size is very small. But for isolated spherical conductor, the size of the conductor, the radius of the conductor is 18 kilometer. This is the problem. That means in a small space we cannot store large amount of charge. Then the concept is developed how capacitor is constructed, or what is the principle of capacitor. Actually capacitance C equal to Q by V. If we decrease the potential V, then capacitance will increase. How we decrease the potential? So let us consider a conductor, a plain conductor. Let us supply charge to it. Let a large amount of charge is given as per its capacity or capacitance. Let some amount of charge is given. Let us place an uncharged conductor near the charged conductor. Then by method of induction, we know opposite kind of charge is induced at the nearer end and same kind of charge is developed in the further end. Here negative charge is induced because this is positive, here negative. That means this one is positive charge. Opposite kind means plus pakhare minus charge induced hobo. The negative charge is induced. And in the further side, जोटा conductor to दूर side टा माने this side positive charge is induced. Our aim is to decrease the potential. If this further side is connected to earth, then this is called earth conductor. Then what happens? This positive charge will flow to earth. Then in the next step, and another property of charge is positive charge tries to move towards negative charge, hence all the positive charge this side tries to move on the nearer side of negative charge. So we can write all the charge to this side. This is step 1, this is step 2. This side is negative. Then how the potential decreases? Because of the negative side, negative charge. This is positive charge, positive potential, negative charge, negative potential. The net potential of the arrangement is decreases. If net potential decreases, then capacitance will increase. That means it can take another more amount of charge. Let this is plate A, this is plate B, or conductor A, conductor B. Charge of this conductor is plus Q, charge of this conductor is minus Q. Okay? This is called a capacitor. So by taking a single conductor, we cannot store more amount of charge. We can store more amount of charge by taking two conductors. This is one plate, this is another plate. This arrangement is called a capacitor. So what is the definition of a capacitor? Capacitor is an arrangement. Capacitor is an arrangement in which we can store more amount of charge in small space. more amount of charge is stored in small space. This is the definition of capacitor. Different kinds of capacitors are there. The most commonly used capacitor is parallel plate capacitor. So this is an arrangement in which we can store more amount of charge in small space. I will show you a capacitor. Most commonly used capacitor, most commonly used capacitor is parallel plate capacitor. Parallel plate capacitor. Most commonly, generally, practically, the capacitors used are parallel plate capacitor. That is, it consists of two parallel plates. Cylindrical capacitor is there, spherical capacitor is there, but the most commonly used capacitor is parallel plate capacitor, that is on your syllabus. So, what is a parallel plate capacitor? It consists of two plates and both the plates are parallel to each other. Hence, the name is parallel plate capacitor. I will show you at the end how the two plates are parallel to each other. Then, what is a parallel plate capacitor? Do you understand? It consists of two plates which are parallel to each other and a small gap between the two plates. And what is in the space that we will discuss? Dita plate with tere kon thae ame discussion kariba. Okay. Then what is the principle of capacitor? What already we have learnt. What is the principle? When an earth conductor, this is an earth conductor, is placed near a charged conductor, then potential decreases and capacitance increases. Principle. Dear student, this is a very important long question. Parallel plate capacitor, what is its construction, principle and derivation for capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. The principle is when an earthed conductor is placed near a charged conductor, then potential of the arrangement decreases and capacitance increases. The main thing is potential decreases, capacitance increases. Okay? Then there are two cases. Construction means it consists of two plates, two conducting plates of same area of cross section. Area of cross section of both the plates are same. The gap between the two plates is small d and both the plates have equal amount of charge but opposite kind in nature. How a capacitor is charged, that we will discuss later on. For the timing, you just remember that plate A have charge plus Q and plate B have charge minus Q. Total charge is 0, but what is the charge? Charge of each plate, we are storing here charge. And the gap between the two plates is filled with air or any dielectric medium. Air is also a dielectric. First chapter, you know what is a dielectric. Dielectric is an insulator. It is an insulator. That may be a mica, rubber, wood, plastic. Air is also a dielectric, or we can say bed conductor. Dielectric, the name itself represents death of electricity. Die means death. Death of electricity occurs in dielectric, hence the name is dielectric. So, in between the two plates air or any dielectric medium is present. So, the two cases are case 1, this part is common, what is a capacitor, what is the principle of capacitor, what is a parallel plate capacitor, and expression for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor filled with air. And another thing is symbol of capacitor. Symbol of capacitor is two parallel lines. Parallel line, not like this. This is wrong. This is what? This is a battery. Positive, negative. This is battery. This is not capacitor. The two lines should be equal length, parallel lines. This is C. This is the symbol of capacitor. Then expression for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor filled with air. Case 1, long question dita part, माने गोटे question रे dita जाको आसीबनी, any one either filled with air गोटे case हे पारे or filled with dielectric another case. Common part is principle of capacitor is common. The expression or derivation for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor filled with air, as a dielectric. That means the gap between the two plates is filled with air. So, this is a parallel plate capacitor, that is it consists of plate A, another plate B. Plate means here conducting plates. We are taking conducting plates, metallic plates. This is plate A having charge plus Q, plate B having charge minus Q. The distance between the two plates is D. Here A is area of cross section. This A for naming of plate A, we can write different name also, PQ or plate 1, plate 2, but this A is area of cross section of each plate. Small d is distance between the two plates. Distance between the two plates. D is gap between the two plates. This should be very small. And here the gap is filled with air. Okay? Then in next case, the gap is filled with a dielectric slab. Here we will derive the expression for capacitance. So dear students, what is the formula of capacitance? C equal to Q by V. घोषी की मन रखिया दरकार नहीं, just step मन रखिबो. Introduction you can write yourself. If Q is the given, the charge is stored on the plate, we have to determine V, potential difference. If we can find the formula for V here, then we can find the expression for C. It is very simple to remember. Then how we can determine V? What is V here? Where V is the potential difference. Shortly I can write potential difference between the two plates. Between the two plates. Okay. Then how we can determine potential difference? For this, we have to determine the electric field between the two plates. Electric field, you know, first chapter we have learnt electric field. What is electric field? What is electric field, Tapas? Electric field is the modified space around a charge. So here also charge is there. Okay, another charge is there. In the first chapter we have learnt uniform electric field. That means if a positive plate and negative plates are separated, the electric field between them is uniform. Okay, this is a positive plate, just I am explaining. This is a negative plate. The direction of electric field lines starts from positive charge and at negative charge. This electric field is uniform. Uniform means what? The lines are parallel and equally spaced. The gap is same. The value of electric field is same throughout the gap between the two plates. Electric field ta iti uniform rahe, mane ta value ta saman rahe. So let this electric field is say E. Okay. Here we have to determine the value of electric field intensity, the strength of electric field at any point P. तो फर्स्ट आम बुझिले जे इलेक्ट्रिक फिल्ड टा यूनिफॉर्म तुम जो भी पॉइंट नियो तुम नेला बेले सपोज एठी नहीं गलो किछि प्रॉब्लम नाही बिकॉज द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज यूनिफॉर्म सेमती किछि नाही जे मिडिल रे ही नेबी तुम एनी पॉइंट रे नहीं परिबो देन ए जोठी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी हमें डिटरमाइन करबा सेठी कोन अछि बोली भाबिबा कोन अछि यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज द पॉइंट वेयर वी विल डिटरमाइन द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी we assume that a unit positive charge is present here. Suppose just for understanding +1 charge is there. Suppose this is the point. Okay. Then what is the direction of electric field intensity? This is positive, this is positive, the direction is repulsive. This is E1 vector. What is E1 vector here? E is the net electric field intensity. जोटा E मु सेठी देछि total electric field intensity. It is E1 or E2 dita asibo. What is E1? Electric field intensity at the point P due to plate A, and E2 is electric field intensity at P due to plate B. Okay. तो first direction बुझिबा. E1 कौन कहली? A first plate बा A plate जोगु जो charge अछि Q plus Q ता जोगु एठी electric field intensity. Minus जोगु direction कौन? Minus को plus always attractive. So minus को plus attractive means what? This is negative charge and the electric field intensity where we found should be positive. The direction is positive, negative, attractive means what? जो charge जो होथुव ता आड़ को रहिबो. Repulsive means what? जा जो होथुव ता टू दूरेबो. तो ये plus direction याड हैला. ये minus ये plus तो attractive होबो. E2 क्लियर एटा मेन जिंस तो दिस इज +1 चार्ज एठी अछि भाबो तो प्लस को प्लस रिपल्सिव E1 वेक्टर माइनस को प्लस अट्रैक्टिव तो टुवर्ड्स नेगेटिव E2 वेक्टर ओके देन व्हाट इज नेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी तो नेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी इज E1 वेक्टर plus E2 vector. Then what is the value of E1 vector and what is the value of E2 vector? We will write now. So first what is E1 vector you know? E1 vector is electric field intensity at any point in between the two plates due to plate A. E1 vector electric field intensity at P due to plate A having charge plus Q. E1 vector value केते first हमें लिखिबा. What is E1 vector? A plate जो एठी तमे गॉस लॉ रो एप्लीकेशन पढी छ One of the application is to determine electric field intensity near a infinitely charged plate. Charge plate sigma by 2 epsilon 0. One is line charge is there. This is not line charge. This is a plate. Actually, the shape is like this. This is a plate. That means charges are present on the surface. For simplification, we are drawing like this. But actually, charges are present on the surface. Surface charge, you know. Surface means on the area. Suppose this is a plate. This is one plate. This is another plate. These are the two plates. The charges are present on the surface. Here on the surface the charges are present. Hence, electric field intensity near a plate or plate A. This is a large plate. Why large? Why this small? Finally we will know. Area of the plate is here very large. The electric field intensity near a charged plate, derivation is or expression is, here there is no need to derive. सेटा तमे एठी यूज करिवो. Sigma by 2 epsilon 0. What is sigma? Sigma is surface charge density. Surface charge density. तीनटा टर्म पढ़िथिलो. Linear charge density lambda, surface charge density sigma, volume charge density rho. The surface charge density means what? Charge by area. Q by A. Charge is Q on the plate. A is the area of the plate. A is area of cross section or area of the plate. This is equal to Q by A. Similarly, epsilon 0 you know, permittivity for vacuum because you are taking here air. E2. E2 is electric field intensity at P due to plate B. Direction is same. E1 vector and E2 vector both are in same direction. Then what is the value of E2? Same, sigma by 2 epsilon 0. Why same? Both sigmas are same because area of each plate is same. Both have same area. And here charge plus Q, here charge minus Q. Hence the magnitude of surface charge density. Signs are different. Because of that sign the direction is different, but the values are same. That is Q by A means sigma by epsilon 0 is a constant because you are taking air medium. Hence the values are, the value of electric field intensity due to both the plates is same, that is sigma by 2 epsilon 0, sigma by 2 epsilon 0. Let it be equation 1, equation 2. And the direction of E1 vector and E2 vector are also same already. We have seen the direction are same. So you have to write directions of E1 vector and E2 vector are same. That is from plate A to plate B. As you all know, electric field is vector quantity. Direction are same. That means theta is 0 degree. Then what is the net electric field intensity? E1 plus E2. The two electric field intensity will add. Hence net electric field intensity E vector is also along the same direction. Suppose this is a pen. We are pulling this side. गोटे लोक आपको एपट टाणुची आउ जण भी एपट हे टाणला तो नेट टा कोड जीवो जोर रे आडे ही जीवो किंतु सपोज आमे दीटा वेक्टर को अपोजिट नवा जण एपट टाणुची जण एपट टाणुची तो अपोजिटली डायरेक्टेड हेले कोड जीवो जदी ए दीटा समान थिवो कोड जीवोनी बैलेंस हे गला हम कहूचे किबा जे बेसी जोर रे टाणीबो ता आडको पळेबो किंतु एठी कोन बोथ आर इन सेम डायरेक्शन E1 वेक्टर एंड E2 वेक्टर आर इन सेम डायरेक्शन जदी एटा गोटे एटा एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन एंट्रांस पाई आस परिवो कि मल्टीपल चॉइस पाई आस परिवो सपोज एटा प्लस एटा भी प्लस थांदा ताहले एठी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड 0 हो जाय थांदा काहे कि ये प्लस प्लस जो याडे ये प्लस एठी भी प्लस अछि तो एठी E1 वेक्टर और E2 वेक्टर ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन होता कैंसल हो जाता but here E1 vector and E2 vector are in same direction. Hence, net electric field intensity at P due to both the plates, or we can say this arrangement is capacitor due to the capacitor. Electric field intensity intensity at P due to both the plates or due to the capacitor is E. It is uniform and directed from plate A to plate B. So E equal to E1 plus E2. E1 value is sigma by 2 epsilon 0 plus E2 value sigma by 2 epsilon 0. So half plus half is 1, that is equal to sigma by epsilon 0. This is electric field intensity. But what is our aim? Our aim is not to determine E, our aim is to determine V. V is what? V is potential difference between the two plates. Then what is the relation between V and E? Sequentially you have to remember. You have to determine V, but we cannot determine directly V. First we have to determine E, then V. Then what is the relation between V and E? Can anyone? Second chapter re padhicha, relation between electric field and potential. What is that relation? We know E equal to minus dV by dr. This is a very important 3-mark question. Electric field intensity is equal to negative potential gradient. Negative sign is for the direction. Electric field intensity is along the direction of decrease of potential, that we have learnt already on the chapter 2. dV is potential difference, dr is the distance gap between the 2 points. So here instead of dV we will write V. V is potential difference and dr is distance. No confuse for minus sign, we are writing the magnitudes. So here E equal to V by D. V is potential difference, D is distance. Then V is equal to E into D. E, let it be equation number 3. Okay, you put the value of E here, then V equal to sigma by epsilon 0 into D. What is sigma? Sigma is Q by A, Q by A, and here epsilon 0 is already there, into D. Equation 4. Again I am explaining. First, sigma by 2 epsilon 0 is electric field intensity at P due to plate A. Sigma by 2 epsilon 0 is again electric field intensity at P due to plate B, as both are in same direction. Hence net electric field intensity is sigma by epsilon 0. Again we know from the relation between E and V, electric field and potential difference, E equal to V by D. This is also an 1-mark question. Potential difference is given, distance is given between the two plates. Then what is the value of electric field intensity or strength of electric field intensity? That is equal to V by D. Then V equal to E into D. E is here sigma by epsilon 0, sigma is Q by A. Our 80% part is over. V formula में जाने गले, potential difference कितने? Charge into distance by A epsilon 0. Now capacitance. Capacitance C equal to Q by V, Q by V is Q D by A epsilon 0. V जगह रे हमें वैल्यूटा नहीं पुट कले यूजिंग इक्वेशन 4. Then Q cancels. C equal to epsilon 0 A by D. This is the required expression. The expression for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor filled with air. Then you see these terms. Capacitance depends on what factors. Here if you fix air टाको जब हमें फिक्स नहीं जीवा तो एप्सिलॉन 0 टा कांस्टेंट. तो बर्तन डिपेंडेंस हमें कौन जान ले A और D. But you know epsilon 0 value. What is the value of epsilon 0? Epsilon 0 value के कहबो? Permittivity for air, very small value, 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb square by Newton meter square. Very small value, you see. 10 to the power minus 12 term is there. So to get large capacitance, we have to increase area. हमें बहुत बड़ा एरिया नबा मु तुमको देखेबी प्रैक्टिकली एरिया केते लार्ज और डिस्टेंस टाको हमें स्मॉल नबा. तो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन मेनली फर्स्ट टू फैक्टर, डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू एरिया, इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू डिस्टेंस. जदि मु एआर को फिक्स नेली एज ए डाइलेक्ट्रिक तो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन एरिया ऑफ द प्लेट, ईच प्लेट and distance between the two plates. But if instead of air a dielectric is there, कहीं ना हमको एरिया टा को बढ़ेबा को पड़ेबो, डिस्टेंस टा को कमेबा को पड़ेबो. आउ किछि चिंता करा हला how we can increase. Instead of air if you take a dielectric, an insulating medium, conducting नै गले असुविधा कोन, charge will flow. जोटा हम पढिबा परे conducting plate रहले कोन प्रॉब्लम हबो, whole the charge will flow to earth. तो hence we have to keep a insulating medium or dielectric medium. So this is a special case. This is the expression. तमरे long question रो first part over. बेले बेले तासे तो 1 mark attach हे जाए. What is the effect of dielectric? तो for air C, instead of C I write CA, epsilon 0 A by D. If any dielectric is present for dielectric medium, if the gap is filled with dielectric medium of dielectric constant K, dielectric constant K, then the capacitance becomes C medium becomes epsilon A by D. Okay, what is epsilon? Epsilon 0 is for air, epsilon is for any medium, permittivity of the medium, co-medium ro, a dielectric medium ro permittivity. So epsilon becomes epsilon 0 becomes epsilon. Then epsilon equal to we can write epsilon 0 into K or epsilon R भी लिख परबो, जोटा हम पूर्व भी कहितले relative permittivity epsilon R और dielectric constant K. तो epsilon 0 K A by D. तो epsilon 0 A by D गोटे पाखे रखो K epsilon 0 A by D. This epsilon 0 A by D is for air. This is for air. Then Cm becomes, Cm means capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor filled with fully dielectric. Then Cm equal to KCA. It is a very important 1 mark question. Cm means what? Not chief minister. Cm means what? Cm means here capacitance of a capacitor filled with dielectric. Okay, M for medium here. Okay, K is dielectric constant of the medium, what we are using. Ca is capacitance of capacitor filled with AR. That means if we place a dielectric medium, fully dielectric, तब कब अधा dielectric रखले मैडम कौन होगा, जोटा हम next रे पढ़िबा. तो fully dielectric रखिले capacitance will increase K times. 1 mark question ase. If the gap between the two plates is filled with air having capacitance 2 microfarad, and if dielectric constant K, suppose 4, dielectric constant ro unit kono? Huh? Dielectric constant ro unit kon replay? It has no unit. This is capacitance, this is capacitance. आमे आगुरु भी पढ़िचे. Force को force with relation रो आसे, तो it is a ratio डा. तो सेत में यार unit capacitance रे, यार unit भी capacitance रे. तो dielectric constant has no unit. Value खाली 4. तमे पढ़िचो माइका पाई 4, glass पाई 6, water पाई 80. Different dielectric constant, different for different dielectric medium, the dielectric constants are different, but its value is greater than 1 always. Since its value is greater than 1, so hence Cm is greater than Ca. That means if a dielectric is placed between the two plates, the capacitance will increases. So here what is the answer? Ca is given 2 microfarad, dielectric constant K is 4, then Cm equal to 4 into 2, 8 microfarad. So it becomes 4 times. So again I summarize. The capacitance depends on what factors? For AR, Ca is epsilon 0 A by D. For any medium, for dielectric medium, Cm is epsilon A by D or K epsilon 0 A by D. So on what factor capacitance of a capacitor depends? It depends on the dielectric constant of the medium or dielectric. What kind of dielectric you are using? It depends on. In some capacitor oils are used, in some capacitor polythenes are used. I will explain or I will show you the capacitor present in fan. So here it depends on the dielectric constant of the medium and area of the plate. If A is large, then capacitance is large. Hence the conclusion is it is directly proportional to area and inversely proportional to distance. Okay, I will show you the parallel plate capacitor now. You see, this is a capacitor used in fan. These are the two terminals. One is positive, another one is negative. In next class, we will study how a capacitor is charged. Actually, बर्तमान यार किसी चार्ज नहीं, नो चार्ज. आपको जो तो हमें कनेक्शन करिबा, लाइट तो माने बैटरी से तो कनेक्ट करिबा, किंबा जो तो स्विच ऑन करिबा, करंट फ्लो होची, तो यार दीटा प्लेट रे चार्ज स्टोर होची. तो एटा बाहरु देखिबा पई, ए भितरे बहुत इन्सुलेशन दिया हिची, को भंगा भंगी कले, ए भितरे एटा आछी. हला, ए भितरे एटा कोन जरी वाला अछि, चॉकलेट जरी वाला देखाउ देखो. तो एठी कोन अछि देखो? आ लेखा जी यार वैल्यू होची 2.25 माइक्रोफैराड. जस्ट मु अप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यू टा कहिथिली 2 माइक्रोफैराड. आ ये सपोर्ट करूची 440 वोल्ट एसी. 440 वोल्ट एसी सप्लाई सपोर्ट करबो. सेत में जनरली पड़िबोनी. 220 हमर मैक्सिमम, बट इट कैन सपोर्ट अप टू 440. So these are terminals. Now you see, these are the two terminals connected at the ends. This is a plate. देखो मु खोलुची. जिते खोल 5-10 मिनट लगे खोलिया कि बेसी भी लगी पारे गोटे प्लेट देखा एटा प्लेट कहूँ कही एरिया लार्ज केते लार्ज हवा दरकार देख मीटर स्क्वायर रे हवा दरकार ये तो गोटे देखा आम कहले दीटा प्लेट एठी देख एरिया लार्ज हवा दरकार डिस्टेंस स्मॉल हवा दरकार एक्चुअली एटा दीटा प्लेट इतने क्लोजली लगी आठी जो डाइलेक्ट्रिकटा होची पॉलिथिनटा इन्सुलेटरटा हैला एटा कोटिंग हेची एटा कोटिंग मेटाल कोटिंग जानछ आकु जदि आमे टिके एटा टिके घसी देबा दीटा प्लेट हे जिवो देखो बोथ साइड कोटिंग हेची मझिरा जरी देखो कोटिंग छाड़ी जाउची एटा दीटा प्लेट इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ टू पैरेलल प्लेट ना देखो एरिया किछि डिफरेंट अछि कि लागुची जेंति गोटे प्लेट अछि तो एटा दीटा प्लेट एटा तुम खोली चलो जिते खोलिबो बहुत टाइम लागियो एटा खोलिया पई बहुत टाइम देखो जोटे भी खोलो तुम दीटा बाहर जीवो तो खोली खोली चलो बहुत बड़ एरिया आम गोटे प्रॉब्लम करवा देखिया केते आछी एरियाटा देखिलो एटा होची तमरो पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर लेट अस सॉल्व ए न्यूमेरिकल calculate the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor filled with air रो गोटे केस डाइलेक्ट्रिक रो गोटे केस जस्ट मु डाटा दे दूची calculate CAR बाहर करिबा C मीडियम भी बाहर करिबा सपोज गिवन अछि गिवन C, we have to determine C. Let area is say 2 meter square. Distance D say 1 millimeter, but it should be small. Distance should be small. Suppose first case for air medium. That means the gap between the two plates is filled with air. Suppose in second case dielectric constant should be given, otherwise we cannot determine. तो मैं first answer बाहर करूँगी. Area of each plate is 2 meter square. Distance between the two plate is 1 millimeter. Then capacitance CA means capacitance of capacitor is epsilon 0 A by D. The epsilon 0 value कितने 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12. एरिया ऑफ ईच प्लेट 2 मीटर स्क्वायर अच्छी ताको किसी चेंज करवा दरकार नहीं किंतु जदि तमे एठी डायरेक्ट 1 लिखि दबो ना भूल काहे कि स्टार्टिंग रु कहूची सब फिजिकल क्वांटिटी रो यूनिट एका रहबा दरकार तो एटा मिलीमीटर अच्छी मिली माने 10 टू द पावर माइनस 3 मीटर मिली छोटो साइज 10 टू द पावर माइनस 3 तो 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. Then you just multiply. I think into 10 to the power minus 12 plus 3 केते हबो 17.70 into 10 to the power minus 9 very small 2 microfarad पे आवरी केते बड़ो एरिया दरकार तो minus 9 means we can write nanofarad also 17.70 nanofarad. Then for second case if a dielectric constant is there suppose K is 4 then what is the value of Cm? Cm equal to KCA this is CA 4 into 17.7 multiply kale jaha asla setiki farad. Okay. In the next class we will study if a dielectric slab is present instead of fully dielectric if a dielectric slab of thickness say T is present then what will happen. You just see the shape of the plates. Slides. This is a parallel plate capacitor. Is an arrangement of two parallel plates of equal area separated by, you just see, these are the two plates, same area, small distance d, electric field is uniform. Already we have derived these things. If the space is filled with dielectric medium of permittivity epsilon r, so it depends on directly proportional to the area, inversely proportional to the distance. Okay, dielectrics law we will study in the next class. Thank you.